sensitive skin type, please incorporate it little by little once in a week. You can increase it to twice in a week. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damala. If you're joining me here for the first time, then hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video and share as much as you can. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys tips on how to use your Tretinoin Cream 0.025 without getting any reactions at all. So stick around and do not go anywhere. Alright, what is Tretinoin? Tretinoin is a medication that is used in treating acne. It belongs to the class of retinoid. It can come in a cream form, gel form, or an ointment form. So whichever way, right? Now, knowing this, there are some things you need to note before you use your Tretinoin on your face. Note, Tretinoin is a medication, not a face cream. Some people use this as a face cream just because they want to get lighter, they want to get brighter, they want to have even skin tone, blah, 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 blah. I know, right? But it is a medication. Medications are used to treat a particular thing. And after treatment, you stop. And that is why most times Tretinoin is prescribed by a doctor, esthetician, or a pharmacist. So please endeavor to only use it to treat whatever it is you're trying to treat and not use it as a face cream. Also, note that if you want to use Tretinoin, you can only get your results 8 to 12 weeks. That is after 8 to 12 weeks. That's actually what I'm trying to say. Like, it will only work within 3 months. You only get your result after 3 months. That's what I'm trying to say in essence. You only get your result after 3 months. So you want to be very patient if you want to use this particular product on your skin. Also, you need to note that you can only use Tretinoin at night. If you use it during the day, your skin is going to get sensitive to sunburn. It has a lot of side effects. So please be very careful. Only use it at night. Don't use it during the day. And if you want to use Tretinoin, always make sure that you stay on moisturizer and sunscreen. Moisturizer and sunscreen. Now, noting all these things, how do we use it? Let's go on it step by step, right? The first thing is this. If you're ready to use your Tretinoin, come closer. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. So this is it. You are in the bathroom, you have your bath, or probably you don't want to have your bath, but your hands are clean. Wash your hands so clean, wash your face so clean. Don't be too rough on it. Just take it easy to your face, your baby, your egg. Take it easy with it, right? Don't scrub it. Don't scrub your face, right? So make sure you use a gentle cleanser. A gentle cleanser, my God. Use a gentle cleanser. I've been in a situation where I had to use a cleanser that is not gentle, and my face had to face it. So please make sure that you use a gentle cleanser on your face. Don't use bar soap, because bar soap will make your skin dry. Bar soap will make your skin dry, and Tretinoin does make skin get dry as well. So you need to make sure that if you want to stay on Tretinoin, you need to stay out using bar soap. Don't use bar soap. No. Now, once you've used your cleanser on your face, you pat your face dry, you rinse your face, of course, pat your face very dry. Then if you decide that you want to follow some skincare routine, toner, serum, you want to use your serum, they want to use your moisturizer, that's well and good. But if you know that you like a very simple routine, you like a very simple skincare routine like me, because I actually love simple skincare routine, especially because skincare products are so expensive right now. You want to be careful, sis. But if you want to stay on a simple skincare routine like me, you can just use your moisturizer alone. Yes, I said what I said. The moisturizer alone at night. Then go ahead with your Tretinoin. Then if you like so much skincare routine, you can go ahead with your skincare routine. But be careful, sis. Don't mix too much. Don't put things together too much, because you're trying to treat something. Your face has acne on it, irritations on it. You don't want to mess it up with a lot of skincare products. You want to stay on a low with little skincare routine. Stay on a low with little skincare routine. So that's actually why I would advise that you just stay on your moisturizer alone, and that's it. Advice. It's just a suggestion. You can do what you want to do, sis. Alright, so after using your moisturizer with your tretinoin, then you can have your sleep. Remember, only use it on the affected area. Only use it on the affected area, not all over your face. Only use it on the affected area. Very, very important that you note that. Now, when you use this particular tretinoin, please incorporate it little by little, one step at a time. It could be like the first week you're using, you're just using it like once in a week. Once in a week, especially if you have sensitive skin. Depending on your skin type, you know you have a normal skin type. I don't even think anyone that has normal skin type and will have acne. I don't think so. So if you have a sensitive skin type, please incorporate it little by little, once in a week. You can increase it to twice in a week. Be safe, see, if you want to be on the safe side, increase it to like twice in a week, then 3 times in a week. Yes, stay there, sis. Don't go. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Stay there. Stick to that 3 times in a week and continue like that. Be patient. Be patient. You might want to see that at a point in time, your acne is getting so worse. It's coming out so much. You're like, Danny, what is going on? I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Sis, I can deal with this. I can deal with this. That's okay. That's fine. That's all right. I know. I feel it. I feel it. I get it. It's okay. It can be like that. You need to just know it's actually part of their progress. It's part of the progress. It's actually, one step at a time. The tretinoin will go inside your skin. It will not just stay on your skin to treat what is on your skin. It will go inside your skin and bring out everything that is inside. Bring everything outside. Like, I want to pack all of them outside. You're going to pack everything outside, right? It actually works. It's a work in progress. So after packing everything outside, it's now going to take it one step at a time and treat it for you. That is why it takes like forever to get it treated. It's not actually forever. It's 3 months. 3 months is not too much, right? I know. And please, if you're using a treatment like this, you want to be very careful of whatever you're using to clean your face, to patch your face dry. You know that you cannot afford to get another towel as a face towel. You only afford to, just get your body towel. Just stick to your body towel. Don't use your body towel on your face. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because your face is already irritated. You don't want it to get more irritated. Don't use your body towel on your face. It is just for the body alone. You can allow your water on your face to dry up before you apply stuff on it. But you can apply a face towel. Get a face towel that's actually very, very clean. Use it on your face to clean your face. And when you want to use the tretinoin, endeavor to always use a pea-size amount. Let's say this is actually not a tube, because most times it comes in a tube form. This is not a tube. I just want to show you guys an example of pea-size amount that I'm talking about. So you have like your tube, it comes out. Your tube is always like really small, like the mouth comes in very small. So just little, very little, very little. Very, very little. You guys can see, you guys can really see it with my hand. That's how small it is. A pea-size amount on the affected areas. A pea-size amount on the affected area. Don't do too much because you want to get the fast results. It doesn't work like that. If you continue to do that, you're going to get your face irritated. And guess what? Tretinoin has a lot of side effects if you're not careful. And if you know that you've done everything I've said so far and you still have side effects using tretinoin, then you need to discontinue. Discontinue, my sis. Just discontinue. Just maybe it's not for you. There are other ways you can actually treat your acne. A lot of other ways actually. So discontinue and just focus on other stuff, right? So that is it. I want you to know. So that's it. That's actually everything I can tell you guys about tretinoin. If you have any other thing that you feel like is supposed to be added to this video, please drop it at the comment section. Sis, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome to the family. And don't forget to please like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And please share this video as much as you can. That is all I have for you guys for now. See ya. Bye.